How do I parse a string to a float or int? How can I convert a str to float? How can I convert a str to int? For the reverse, see convert integer to string in Python and converting a float to a string without rounding it. Please instead use how can I read inputs as numbers? To close duplicate questions where OP received a string from user input and immediately wants to convert it, or was hoping for input in 3.x to convert the type automatically.
Another method which deserves to be mentioned here is ast.literal_val. This can be used for safely evaluating strings containing Python expressions from untrusted sources without the need to parse the values oneself. That is a safe eval.
Localization and commas. You should consider the possibility of commas in the string representation of a number, for cases like float 545,545.2222, which throws an exception. Instead, use methods in locale to convert the strings to numbers and interpret commas correctly. The locale.atof method converts to a float in one step once the locale has been set for the desired number convention. Example 1. United States number conventions. In the United States and the UK, commas can be used as a thousands separator. In this example with American locale, the comma is handled properly as a separator. Example 2. European number conventions. In the majority of countries of the world, commas are used for decimal marks instead of periods. In this example with French locale, the comma is correctly handled as a decimal mark. The method locale.atwa is also available, but the argument should be an integer.
Sensible, chill, and light.